child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 7:18 p.m. on February 26, 2020, effective until 9:18 p.m. A Florida amber alert has been issued for Mackenzie, Vega, a black Hispanic female, 11 years old, 5 feet 5 inches tall, 120 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. Last seen in the area of the 1900 block of West Kelly Park Road in Apopka, Florida. Who was last seen wearing a yellow raining bra and gray shorts. The child has long, brown curly hair that she wears in a ponytail high on her head. The child may be in the company of Keith Edward Reed Jr., the black male, the no height, the no weight, black hair and black eyes. They may be traveling in a 2017 Silver Hyundai Lambert, Texas tag number MDT 3055. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Orange County Sheriff's Office at 1-866-858-2233 or 911.